From the main screen, the first thing that you're going to do anywhere on the screen and go to exit full screen. So from there, you're going to want to go to playback at the top. This will take you to the playback tab. On the left side, go ahead and select the cameras that you want to play back. They'll start showing up on the screen. So over here below your camera list, you're going to have your calendar. You can go through the different months, and if you see a little blue arrow in the upper right, that means that there's video for that day. Go ahead and double click on the day that you would like to play back. So from there, here you have your time bar at the bottom. You can change the resolution. So here I'm going to go to 1 hour. So I'll have a little bit larger bar. It's just going to show me the 1 hour there. So go ahead and you can click on your cameras and that will change the video bar at the bottom that shows the video for the channel that you've selected. And you can see where there's video. You can mouse over to get a little preview of the video for that time, and then click anywhere to seek back and forward in the video. You can make the video full screen by double clicking on it for one camera. From the playback screen, there's a few more options if you hover over a video. So clip will allow you to export a time frame for that channel. You can go ahead and click that, and then you will be able to select the start and stop time. You hit save. You can uncheck player unless you would like to export the player as well. So from there, you're going to get the export dialog where you can select where you'd like to export the video. Make sure you have your device selected at the top, then select where you'd like to export the video and click save. At that point, you will see the progress in the upper right corner, and that will show the export progress and let you know when the export is completed. You can always hide that and come back to it later if you need to do something else in the meantime. And you can clear the list here as well once the exports are completed. The way to export video is through the search page. So you click on search at the top of the screen. Then you can pick your time frame. You can do custom, so you can pick a start and stop date and time here at the bottom. You can also do the preset ones such as today and yesterday, and that will just fill out the time frame for you. So I'm going to go ahead here and select a short time. The video can get kind of large, so you just want to make sure that you have a device that's large enough to hold the video that you're exporting. So from there, you can select the channels that you'd like to include in the search, and then go ahead and click search. That's going to give you a list of the video for the time that you selected. So from there, you can go ahead and check which ones you like. You can uncheck player and hit export. And then once again, you're going to go find the location that you'd like to export the video to. And then once it starts, you can actually go through and do each channel while the first one is exporting, and that will start all of them together. It will put them all in a queue. So I'm just going to go through and do that for each channel. Now that I've done that, you can see I have the three exports here. They'll export one by one. So I'll go through all three channels and export each one. If you have multiple time frames as well, you can add all those and it will export them one by one. I'll go ahead and speed it up here and you can see that it'll run through all three. Once that is done, your video will be available on the device that you have connected that you selected for export. So you can go ahead and unplug that and plug it into a computer and access the video for playback from there. And that should pretty much cover playback and exporting video using the clip feature or the search tab.